Ọ sị gị no problem. Ka ebe moto na-abịa. Ọ na-asị gị no problem. Ihe agwa ọkpala road o. Kwa herdsmen ka anyị na-arezi nke ikpeazụ a. Ọkwa ihe na-arezikwe, ọkwa ihe na-arekwa n'ụzọ ọkpala o. N'ụzọ ọkpala ha na-agbazikwe moto direct o n'ụzọ ọkpala o. The worst one agba ha eburu passengers bụ ime ọhịa o. Kwa ihe na-emezikwa n'ọkpala o. Nke a today being 7th of March ka nke a na-eme life in ọkpala. Ọkwa ndị herdsmen ihite stroke ọkpala. Ihite stroke ọkpala. All the home motor see Sowore, Lagos, Onitsha, everybody packed. All of them packed. No motor is coming, no motor is going. Thank you.
If the enemy wants to attack you, they will first of all attack your strength. They will attack your backbones. They will attack your hub. Anything that makes you to be whom you are, they will first of all take it away from you. That is the strategy of any battle, any conflict. They make sure they focus on what makes you whom you are. And let me tell you, see, the Fulanis have conquered Igbo land. You might argue with me. You might speak your language. You might speak in tongues. The Igbo land is already conquered. Now, let me tell you, the detention of Nnamdi Kanu has paved way for these people. The fight against the Biafra agitators who saw all these things coming, and they started, forming vigilante group, security networks, going to the bush to defend their homeland. They did all these things, but the politician connived with the Fulani leaders, knowing well their plan is to come and conquer the Igbo land, because the Igbo land is the only resistance they had before because of Nnamdi Kanu and other Biafra agitators. Nnamdi Kanu said this time with that number. Now, I have a lot of questions to ask, and I am not going to be biased about all these things. Within the period of 2 months, about 150 persons has been slaughtered in Igbo land by the Fulani herdsmen. Go and fact check me. However, you saw what happened in Ebonyi State. We are still talking about it. It has not ended. Before we know, they adopted 33 persons, including 3 soldiers at once in Enugu. Up to today, they are not back. They went ahead, all the whole women gathered, started crying that they are sleeping with them in the bush. After sleeping with them, they will put stick in their anus, all those things. Till today, people are still playing game with it. The governor of Enugu State, Mba, is sleeping. As far as I'm concerned, he's sleeping. He don't know what is going on, or he's colluding with what is going on. That is just it. Now, this is Imo State. They are coming out on the road. On the road. Before the terrorists, Fulani terrorists will come out on the road, meaning they have already taken over every place. Coming out of the road, they stop cars moving. Asari Dokubo told you people that his men was there fighting people who are, I don't know. So they make sure that they fought people who are agitating for Biafra. And after fighting people who are agitating for Biafra, what next? They started killing their people. And that is why, see, I can tell you that security operatives are colluding. Some of them are colluding. Because you can't tell me that any youth you see in Igbo land progressing, you attack him IPOB, you people will take him, you people will make sure that he will not come again. All these things has been happening in Igbo land and no one is talking about that. Now look at what is going on. And Exoti, Mwifuru of Ebonyi State, Soludo of Anambra State, Mba of Enugu State, what is it called? Okoro, this Supreme Court Governor, Hope Uzodinma of Imo State. Look at what are you people doing? Soliver Chime, Obiano, all these old governors, including Minister of Road, what is the name? Omahe. Have you seen what you people have done to your people? Bianco Juku, look at what you people have done to your people. You don't know your enemies. You people thought Nnamdi Kanu was your enemy. You people thought that it was people who are agitating. All those people are your enemies. But look at the real enemy you people have. You people have not seen anything, okay? You people have not seen anything. There is going to be a level of assault. You know, I am always vindicated because I do tell you before things happen, okay? I will tell you down before the thing will happen. Time will come. Both government houses will be sacked in Igbo land. They are going to insult Igbos, including their politicians, to the extent that fear will not even allow them to leave government house or to occasion. It is coming, and it's already at hand. So you people thought that it was Biafra agitators that was doing all these things, right? Now is the main business. Your people, Igbo politicians, their hand is in all these terrorist attack going on in Ibondan. Let them, if they disagree with me, let them take me to court. Igbo politicians, their hand is in all this insecurity going on. What happened in Ebonyi State? The governors have not answered to what is going on. He quickly arrested Ohanaeze youth president and put him in detention because of the accusation they leveled against him. And up till today, nobody is talking. One of the most useless organizations I've never seen is Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Ohanaeze Ndigbo don't understand their left and right. The other day, they were demanding for 10 trillion because they said that it's not an Igbo coup. Is money the problem of Igbos? If you change the poverty level, Igbos has the highest, GDP per capita. They have it. When it comes to, level business, it's not all about monopoly, where one person will be richer than the whole world and others are begging. No. I'm talking about when you check it in a holistic form. The money is not the problem of Igbos. Your people are dying. And this is Imo State where every checking point you come out, you have military. Where do they penetrate? How do they come? You people should ask questions, you dumb people. Nigerians are so dumb like their politicians. All the whole politicians in Ibonda, it is time for you people to choose where you belong. It is time. Because all this thing happening, let me tell you, people allowed it to happen. Not that they can't resist that, but people allowed it to happen because they want to teach you people a lesson. The lesson of propaganda. The propaganda you people have been carrying, no, Biafra agitators are the reason why there is no security in Ibonda, Southeast security. The Fulani killing is not insecurity. Have you ever been hearing Southeast insecurity? Because the Fulanis are in charge killing. Because there was Nnamdi Kanu before, because there was Simon Ekpa before, because there was this, there was that. Everything they have been doing before, Southeast insecurity, Southeast insecurity, Southeast insecurity. The main insecurity is at hand now. Nobody is talking about it. The main insecurity, when I mean insecurity, the main insecurity is about to start happening. Day before yesterday, I made a video. This one is not in Imo State. People that went to the bush in Enugu State, they said that they saw armed men carrying both what is it called? That weapon like javelin that carries bomb. I'm forgetting the name. They said they carried all those sophisticated weapons in Enugu bush. Those people will still release. But all security operatives are aware of all this. If they are not aware, they should take measures. Go and comb the bush. But they will not do it. Because these are level of complicity that we are suspecting. Just look at what is going on now. Look at what is going on. Let me tell you, Nigeria is not a hope for the people. I am saying this because I do not want a situation where someone will come out because of fear of something. You said something that is not real. Nigeria can't save you. Nigeria can't save you. Let's be real to ourselves. Let's tell ourselves the truth. These things will continue to happen. Who are the Fulanis that will be able to invade Biafra if Biafra has their own republic? I'm not saying Biafra people, Igbo people, all these region people are perfect. They are not perfect. Most of them are evil. Most of them are evil. But let everybody go and solve their problem. Because the worst problem is any problem that leads to death, urgent death. You wake up, you are just going to a place in peace, they shoot you, you die. These are the major problems. So if Nigeria should separate today, everybody will go and solve their own problem. And I will continue to advocate for the separation of Nigeria. We don't need to fight wars before we separate and do all this insecurity. Sometimes I am happy that what we predicted is happening because we saw it coming. And it's going to teach people lessons, okay? The other day, I was saying that all those are women crying in Enugu State. I wish it is Bianco Ojukwu mother, Mwifuru mother, Mba mother, Soludo mother, Hopus on them mother. Yeah, I think they are 5. How I wish it is their mother. All these Bianco Ojukwu, how I wish it is their mother that all these Fulani sleep with. I want all this evil happening to people to happen to politicians, happen to their family, happen to their generation. I want all this evil happening to ordinary people to happen to other politicians so that they will even have the taste of what it means to experience what we are experiencing. People cannot just come out and be feeling the pain, the agony of what they do not know about. All these things are carried out by politicians. Politicians are the problem why all these things are happening. Politicians are in charge. Time with that number, we have established that politicians are sponsoring insecurity in Nigeria. We are saying all these things, sending these videos to international community for them to see what is happening in our country, for them to see what is happening in our territory, because posterity is going to judge everyone. That in your state, almost 200 women were raped in a month, and you feel comfortable that you are a governor. Shame. Shame unto you. You feel you are a governor, almost 200 people were raped in a month. Many people were adopted. Many people were killed in the bushes. Everything, they take over, terrorists take over your state. As a chief security officer of a state, you call yourself a governor. You are more less than cause. You are nothing. You are not a governor. You are not a governor. Now, the insecurity challenges in Nigeria is holistic. It's not only in Igbo land. But the level, the way the Southeast politicians are romancing with all these Fulanis is what is triggering my emotion. Look at Edo State here, what Edo State governor is doing. Despite I'm not a fan of the governor, but I'm not biased. The governor is doing absolutely well. When I mean absolutely well, he's taking, an urgent measure against insecurity. And I think the Oba of Benin will be one of the agents that is making sure that they will eradicate all this insecurity. They are bringing down houses of people who they feel that they are informant to all these Fulanis. Going to the bush, eliminate Fulanis. The governor is not playing with Fulanis. That was what I expected the Southeast politicians to do. I'm not interested in people or party now. I'm interested in the security of my people. I'm interested in advocating that Nigeria should stop existing, that we should have a new country, because this one is not working and it's not going to work. Stop pretending. Even you watching me, you know that this country will not work. So stop pretending. So the people of Imo State, I'm sorry to tell you this. The people of the Southeast, I'm sorry to tell you this. The people of Anambra, Imo, Enugu, Ebonyi, Imo, okay, I've mentioned Imo, Abia. I'm sorry to tell you this. The worst is about to come. Okay? Get ready for it.
Also, no problem. Kebe moto na abia. Ona sigi no problem. Ya kwa bala road o. Kwa herdsmen ka na arezi nke Igbazu a. Ọkwa ihe na arezi kwele, ọkwa ihe na arekwa n'ụzọ ọkpala o. N'ụzọ ọkpala ha na-agbazikwa moto direct o n'ụzọ ọkpala o. The worst one agba ha eburu passengers bụ ime ọhịa o. Kwa ihe na-emezikwa n'ọkpala o. Nke a today, being 7th of March, ka nke a na-eme life in ọkpala. Ọkwa ndị herdsmen. Ihite stroke ọkpala. Ihite stroke ọkpala. All the whole motor see Sowore, Lagos, Onitsha, everybody packed. All of them packed. No motor is coming, no motor is going. Thank you.